Hi, and welcome to the Orphan Project Challenge. Now, this video is just kind of an introduction on letting you know how this works and how you can participate. You're able to join us for a few days, focusing and sewing on lost and forgotten projects. This can include not only projects, but your quilt blocks as well. So to get you started, there is a prep downloadable file. This will have some things that you can do in between our Orphan Project Challenge times. This challenge happens a couple times per year. You will want to check the calendar to see what those days are and set those days on your calendar. They are going to be busy for you. The Orphan Project Challenge will provide you not only with your prep, kind of like a prep kit on things you can do to get yourself ready for this challenge, but we also provide you tracking sheets to help you nail down what the next step is on that specific project. So you can print that multiple times depending on how many projects you are working on. There's also an overall page for the orphan projects that you'll be working on. Now, this is not a challenge or a big commitment for you to finish all of those projects. This is just kind of to get them out of your head, release the guilt, put them on a piece of paper, and be aware of what projects that you have started that you really do have an interest on either finishing or changing your mind maybe and doing something different with it. This is a challenge that is free for all IAQ members. So it is also available outside of the IAQ. We welcome everybody to join. We do have a specific Facebook group, so please make sure you join that so you can participate in all the activities during those, I think, 5 to 7 days, depending on how it is set up for that time that we start. Check the calendar for our start days and our end days. Make sure you put the reminders on your list. Download that prep kit that you need, as well as any of the tracking sheets to help get you started. This is something that you can participate in during any time of the year. Just know that this challenge also runs live. So that is when we do the most and have the most activity, is when this challenge is happening live. So I'm so excited you're choosing to participate in the Orphan Project Challenge. I really do look forward to seeing your tracking sheets as well as helping you move your projects forward. If you have any questions or you want to do a show and tell and let us know what you're working on, feel free to add that to the forum for the OPC, as well as our private gallery inside the IAQ anytime during the year. So I hope to see you at one of our meetups and get to know you better and your projects that you're working on.